How to go incognito on iPhone Safari. Let's get started. Launch your Safari browser. Here we go. You will land to this kind of page. Now at the bottom right corner you can find this icon. Click on it. With that you'll get this option of private over here. Go ahead and click on it. Now click on done. With that you have just enabled incognito on your iPhone Safari. Incognito mode is a feature available in web browsers that allows users to browse the internet without leaving any traces of their online activity on the device. In this mode, the browser initiates a temporary section separate from its main section and user data. Safari is designed with privacy in mind by preventing tracking by default. Private browsing adds additional privacy protections for all your private tabs. After you close the tab, Safari won't remember the pages you visited, your search history, or any of your autofill information. Now at the top you'll see the search box. You can search for anything you would like to. It's gonna remain the private. Once you are done using this website, you can go ahead and again click on this icon given at the bottom right corner. Now you can close this tab and then click on the option of done. With that you have just disabled incognito mode. Well, that's a wrap for this video. This is how you can easily go incognito on iPhone Safari. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.